In the new era of intelligent manufacturing, fiber laser cutting machine has become the core tool of the metal processing industry, with its excellent performance. Hello everyone, welcome to the Berry Laser factory and showroom. Today I will introduce you our new product, the Berry Fiber Laser Cutting Machine. Next I will take you to have a look on the machine and give you more information. This machine is not only easy to operate, but also it has an intelligent control system software. Through the software, you can select the preset parameters to meet precisely the cutting thickness of different material. In addition, with the integration of advanced CNC system, this machine has the intelligent one-button operation with high degree of automation, effectively reducing the manual mistakes and achieving high production efficiency. This machine is widely used in the cutting of various metal materials, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, galvanized sheet, and copper, and etc. The cutting surface is smooth and flat, and no secondary grinding is required, which greatly improves the fineness of efficiency of production. Whether it is efficient production or high quality processing, this machine can provide you with a perfect solution. It will provide you unlimited possibilities for your creativity and make your design more exciting. If you are interested in this machine or have any question, please feel free to contact the Berry team. Thank you for watching. I'm Ahsan. See you next time. Bye.